Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7 headset and the USB-C wireless dongle. Plug the dongle into a free USB-A port on your PC. Charge the headset for at least 2 hours before first use. Power on the headset using the left ear cup power button for 3 seconds. Download and install SteelSeries GG software from the official SteelSeries site to access drivers and settings. Restart your PC after installation to ensure the dongle is recognized correctly by Windows. Enable pairing by holding the headset power button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks. The dongle should auto-pair within 10 seconds and show audio output in SteelSeries GG. Open Windows Sound Settings and select Arctis Nova 7 as both default speakers and default communication device. Configure sample rate to 48,000 Hz in the device properties for optimal voice quality. Adjust volume and side tone in SteelSeries GG for comfortable monitoring and quick microphone level checks. If you experience audio lag, try the wired USB-C connection directly to your PC. Update headset firmware in SteelSeries GG to fix known issues and add features. Reinstall the SteelSeries driver if the dongle fails to appear in Device Manager. Move the dongle to a USB 2.0 port or use a short extension to reduce USB 3.0 interference. Test microphone in Voice Recorder and adjust Windows privacy settings to allow microphone access for your apps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.